electricity's out. I know it's actually this color. It's brown outside. If you can hear me. There's what little sky there is. Look at that wind. Sorry, camera shaky. We don't live that far from the water tower, and if it wasn't white, I don't think we'd be able to see it. There's a building back there that we can usually see real easy, and you can't see. Woo! Almost blew the phone out of my hand. Oh, here comes a big gust. Smoke. That is not good. Excuse my language. Where the hell is that smoke coming from? It's blowing like this, it can blow through like